Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to reset a maintenance required light on a LEXUS IS250. Doesn't matter what year, I think they're all the same. So when you turn the ignition on, the car goes through its routine checks and it ends up showing oil maintenance required light, or message rather. So to get rid of that, we have to make sure the odometer is set to read the actual odometer, not the trip. Here's the button to change it. So not on trip, have it on odometer, and then turn ignition off. This is a push button, so you have to know how many times you push to get to the correct setting. So now with the ignition off, you hold that button here that was switching the odometer and turn the ignition on. And keep it pressed. You see all these bars flashing. There you go, and then went to 0 and back to odometer. Now you can release that button and you will have cleared your maintenance reminder, and it's not gonna bother you until you have to do maintenance again. We're gonna switch the ignition off and switch it back on to make sure that it's gone. Check completed, no issues, it's showing you the temperature, good to go. Thanks for watching, have a good one.